This video highlights the new Security Report window in SonarQube for Visual Studio, displaying security hotspots, vulnerabilities, and dependency risks found by SonarQube. It's designed to help you better visualize and zero in on its security findings. You'll need to be in connected mode to SonarQube Cloud or Server. Additionally, to see dependency risks, you will also need an advanced security subscription. There are links in the description to help with both of these. Okay, I'm in Visual Studio and I'm already in connected mode with my project bound to a SonarQube server project. At the bottom you can see the standard error pane open. To see the new security report, go to Extensions and select SonarQube, Connected Mode, View Security Report, and this opens up the Security Report pane. By default, it will display all the security issues that have been surfaced for this project. If you click on an issue, it will open up the SonarQube Rule Help panel, where you can understand more about why this is an issue, how to fix it, and its potential impact. Plus, you can also visualize the flow for that issue. You are able to view security issues in the open documents or in the current document. And you can also filter by severity and status. For example, you may wish to only see blockers which have been resolved in this example. To view dependency risks, assuming you have an advanced security subscription, just click on the tab and it will highlight these. From here you can manage them. For example, you can choose to change the status and add a suitable comment that will be visible to your team in SonarQube. You can also choose to dig deeper by opening the issue in SonarQube, where you can get the detailed description around the risk, as well as guidance on how to resolve it. Sonar also takes a proactive approach to improving open source security by paying maintainers to follow and document secure practices. You can see their insights here. And that's it. You can find all of your security issues, including any dependency risks, in one place, right where you code in Visual Studio. For more details, check out the SonarQube documentation linked below. Happy coding!